Amazon strikes again. Today I've uncovered 5 tech gifts so cool, Jeff Bezos himself might start shopping on his own site. Whether you're looking for fun, creativity, or just a way to keep your kids from yelling, "I'm bored," we've got you covered. Affiliate links in the description, so let's get those clicks going, people. First up, the VTech Kidstar DJ Mixer. This isn't just a toy. It's a gateway to your kids' future as the next DJ Khaled. They can mix tracks, add effects, and even plug in their playlist via Bluetooth, all for $42.49. And don't worry, parents, it has a headphone jack, so you won't have to endure Baby Shark EDM remix on repeat. Do, baby. You know what I mean. Let's move on to creativity with the TEKFUN LCD writing tablet. This colorful doodle board is perfect for road trips, restaurant waits, or just saving your walls from marker mayhem. For $19.99, it's a no-mess, eco-friendly win. It erases with one click like a magic wand for your kids' masterpieces. Next level alert! The DIY Bluetooth speaker kit lets kids build their own mini sound system. It's perfect for STEM lovers or anyone who's ever asked. But how does it work? For $19.99, they learn electronics, circuits, and probably find a way to turn the volume way up. You've been warned. Fidgeters unite. Meet the magnetic pen, a writing tool and creativity toy rolled into one. For $17.99, you can write, build, and distract yourself in the most productive way possible. Transform it into robots, swords, or whatever your imagination dreams up. It's like Transformers, but smaller and less world-threatening. And finally, the Gskyer telescope. For $96.99, it's the perfect gift for stargazers or aspiring astronauts. With a 70mm aperture and wireless remote, it's basically a spaceship for your eyes. Who knows? Your kid might just discover a new planet, or at least use it to spy on your neighbor's dog. Either way, it's worth it. And there you have it, 5 Amazon-approved tech gifts that are guaranteed to impress. Snag them now using the links in the description, and hey, maybe grab one for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which gadget you're getting in the comments. Until next time, keep shopping and stay awesome. Bye! Oh, stop it.